Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Walking the World, and today we'll be going to Cinque Terre. I'm currently in La Spezia, where I'll be staying for 3 nights. And hopefully today, although it's going to be rainy, we'll be able to visit several of these iconic towns along the coast here in Liguria. So I hope you enjoy it. I gotta run and buy my tickets because I decided to go for a one-day pass that will allow me to use trains all around the route along the coast. So I hope that this is the best deal. And of course, I'll try to describe everything. And as always, I hope that we'll learn something together. Okay, see you guys soon. Cheers. The best option is to travel from La Spezia and purchase a Cinque Terre pass for one day. Trains run every 20 minutes, allowing you to explore all 5 villages with ease. This pass provides unlimited train travel for the day and access to the walking trails. The train ride between each village typically takes between 5 to 7 minutes, and the journey from La Spezia to Monterosso al Mare takes about 20 minutes. This convenient and efficient transportation option ensures you can make the most of your visit to Cinque Terre. So guys, we have arrived, and I'll try to visit all 5 towns. We'll see how it works. It's currently 11 a.m. and I think it will take around 8 to 9 hours. Monterosso al Mare is the largest of the 5 villages and is famous for its beautiful beaches, the old town and narrow medieval streets, with the newer part with modern facilities. Key historical sites include the Chiesa di Sant'Andrea in Monterosso, dating back to the 17th century, and the giant, a 14-meter tall statue of Neptune, created in the early 20th century. The best beach in Monterosso al Mare is Fegina Beach. The beach is renowned for its clear blue waters and the striking statue of Neptune that overlooks it. It's a perfect spot for sunbathing and swimming, offering a blend of natural beauty and convenience. Vernazza. Vernazza is renowned for its picturesque harbor, brightly colored houses, and historical charm. Key highlights include the Church of Santa Margherita di Antiochia, built in the 14th century and set dramatically on the water's edge. Doria Castle, a medieval castle with a cylindrical tower offering panoramic views of the coastline, and the Belforte Tower, a 16th century watchtower used for coastal defense. Vernazza is my favorite because of its long main street, Via Roma, bustling with life and lined with charming shops and eateries. The Church of Santa Margherita di Antiochia, constructed in 1318, features an octagonal bell tower, an interior adorned with beautiful maritime-themed decorations. For delicious and affordable pizza, visit Foccaceria Filli Basso, where you can sit outside and enjoy tasty pizza at reasonable prices. So my next destination is Corniglia, or Corniglia. I decided to walk there to take one of those trails along the in Cinque Terre, the famous ones, with average difficulty, and I should reach this town in around an hour and a half. I hope that the views will be worth it. So I'll speak to you guys from there. See you soon, I hope. Corniglia is unique among the Cinque Terre villages, as it's perched on a cliff 100 meters above the sea and it's not directly accessible by sea. It is known for its vineyards, which produce excellent wines. The village's narrow streets lead to charming squares and the 14th century Church of San Pietro, showcasing Gothic and Ligurian Gothic architectural styles. The Chiesa di San Pietro, built in 1334, is a beautiful example of Gothic architecture with its intricate rose window and finely detailed facade. The Oratorio dei Disciplinari di Santa Caterina, a small 18th century chapel, is another noteworthy site, offering a peaceful spot with views over the terraced vineyards and the sea. Manarola is one of the oldest and most picturesque villages in Cinque Terre, characterized by its colorful houses clinging to the cliffs. The village is famous for its wine production, particularly the sweet Sciaquetra wine. It was time for lunch in Manarola, so I went to Capun Magru, where I had a fantastic fish sandwich. The Church of San Lorenzo, built in 1338, features a beautiful rose window and a bell tower that once served as a lookout tower. In Manarola, you can find some art vendors, a beautiful shore, and people jumping from cliffs into the sea. Riomaggiore is the southernmost village of Cinque Terre. It is known for its steeply terraced vineyards and colorful houses cascading down to the harbor. The village's main street, the Via Colombo, is lined with restaurants, bars and shops. Notable historical sites include the 14th century Church of San Giovanni Battista and the Castello di Riomaggiore, a 13th century castle offering stunning views of the sea and the surrounding hills. The Church of San Giovanni Battista of Riomaggiore, built in 1340, is notable for its Gothic style, including a rose window made of Carrara marble. Castello di Riomaggiore, constructed in the 13th century, offers panoramic views of the sea and the village, making it the perfect spot for photography enthusiasts. Riomaggiore offers the best views of the sea, and it's a fantastic place to finish the day and admire the sunset while drinking cold Italian beer. Visiting all 5 villages in one day. Thanks to the efficient and frequent train service from La Spezia, it is entirely feasible to visit all 5 villages of Cinque Terre in one day. Trains run every 20 minutes, allowing visitors to experience the unique charm and beauty of each village without the need for extensive travel planning. Cost: Cinque Terre pass, €30. Lunch in Vernazza, €6. Fish sandwich in Manarola, €10. Beer with a sunset in Riomaggiore, €5. What can we learn? Visiting Cinque Terre is definitely a dream come true. While it can be expensive, it doesn't have to be. With proper planning, you can make your journey affordable by opting for one-day pass and walking from one village to another. Each village offers free water, and you can find affordable food options as well. Cinque Terre provides some of the most scenic views in Italy, making it a perfect destination for nature lovers. It also teaches us a valuable lesson: how small, poor fishing towns can transform within a generation into bustling tourist destinations, turning poor fishermen into wealthy villa owners who make their fortunes from tourists from all over the world. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Walking the World. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep living your best life. Ciao.